Welcome to our guide on starting your very own urban veggies garden. If you're a beginner who loves agriculture and is concerned about rising food costs, you've come to the right place. Let's embark on this rewarding journey together. Urban gardening is not only a fun and therapeutic hobby, but it also helps you save money on groceries. Growing your own vegetables ensures that you have fresh, healthy produce right at your fingertips. The first step is choosing the right location. Look for a spot that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. It could be a balcony, rooftop, or even a sunny windowsill. Next, select your containers. You can use pots, buckets, or even recycled containers. Make sure they have good drainage. For soil, opt for a high-quality potting mix that retains moisture but drains well. Now decide what you want to grow. Beginners can start with easy-to-grow veggies like tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, and herbs. Choose plants that are suitable for your climate and the space you have. Once you've chosen your plants, it's time to start planting. You can either use seeds or buy seedlings from a local nursery. Follow the instructions on the seed packets for planting depth and spacing. Regular watering is crucial, especially for container gardens. Water your plants when the top inch of soil feels dry. Also, consider using a liquid fertilizer every few weeks to provide essential nutrients. Pests can be a problem, but there are many natural ways to deal with them. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs, or use homemade remedies like soap spray to keep pests at bay. Gardening is a process of learning and patience. Enjoy watching your plants grow, and take pride in the fact that you're taking steps towards self-sufficiency and healthier living. Thank you for joining us on this journey to start your own urban veggies garden. Remember, the most important part is to start small and enjoy the process. Happy gardening!